We're about to have the stars of the film, and you are embarrassing me in LA. So do we like the film? Yeah! All right, who's excited to see the stars of the film? Going to come up, great team set. All right, give your strong round of applause. Hello, my name is Chris. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
And introduce Rosel Monteverde.
Right there, right, Rosel?
Yeah.
Hi, Rosel and Chris. Nice to meet you. Where would you like to sit, Rosel?
Just here. Just here is fine.
We'll do boys on this side, girls on that side. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. On behalf of the Manila International Film Festival, we thank you so much for coming on out. My name is Chris Tronson. I'm a reporter out here in Hollywood. I'm excited to come and hang out with these fine folks. What we're going to do is we're going to do a question and answer. I have some of my own questions to kind of kick us off, and then we are going to ask you, the audience, some questions. So if you have a good question, start to think about it, start to marinate on it. Hopefully my questions don't steal from yours, but yeah, we want to get you all involved. So, well, first of all, thank you for coming out to LA. Have you been to LA before?
Yes.
Twice. Pangalawa na yun, pangalawa na.
English daw po.
English na.
It's a long flight, right? Long flight, okay. Well, I wanted to ask, so these are my questions, so hopefully they're not, they're good. But I want to ask, I know that both of you have starred together in a lot of television. This is your first feature film together, so what was that like, you know, working together in a full-length film? Tell me a little bit about behind the scenes, the chemistry, and how it was.
What do we feel about it? It's our first movie together. We were very nervous actually. There was a lot of fears, so many doubts because for some reasons. But we are very grateful kasi akala na po mag-graduate po, no? Kasi sometimes na mag-imagine na lang po natin. Ano nga po yung sabi ko, yun, pinapapasalamat po namin na naibigay po sa amin ang pelikulang ito. Syempre, to our legal family, to Ms. Rosel, napakalaking opportunity po nito para sa amin set. Actually, hindi po namin ito nakala na makapasok sa MMFF. And nagkaroon ng awards, nanalo si Selma Breakthrough Actor. Nag-third best feature po kami, nag-best director. Nag-nominated po sa ilang category. At ngayon po nasa Hollywood na po tayo. Unexpected po yung lahat ng pagkakasunod-sunod after ng mga promos at ng ipalabas ng My Future You. But going back to your question, how do we feel about the movie, about our first film together? It's not easy because we doubted ourselves. We've been in television for quite a while now, and I think this is the first time that we really felt that someone trusted us with our, love in our craft, the passion for acting. I think this is really the first time that someone recognized that we have that talent inside us. So it's such a big thing for us. It's kind of overwhelming, but it's fun doing My Future You.
May kikwento lang po ako. Nung last year, 2023, pumunta po kami dito para sa TFC ng Lord Pilinen. And namasyal po kami dalawa ni Francine dyan sa labas, dito sa Hollywood. Tapos nagsabi kami na makakapunta kaya tayo dito, makakagawa tayo ng pelikula na mapapalabas dito. Out of the blue po sinabi ko yun, pinag-usapan namin. Pero parang suntok sa buwan, kumbaga, na hindi namin hindi po talaga siya original para sa MMFF. Yun po ang sinabi sa amin. And natapos na namin yung film, maraming show date na akala namin papalabas na September, October, November, hanggang sa sinabi po sa amin na sana makapasok ng MMFF. And ang Medical Entertainment, maraming salamat sa tiwala, of course. And syempre, sa mga taong kasama namin bumuo nito, manager ko manage, of course, Tito John. And sa bahay din namin sa ABS, especially Dreamscape, na doon kami nakitaan doon kami nahasa, umarte, at sa legal na nagtiwala sa amin na kaya namin mag-ambag o mag-contribute para sa pelikulang Pilipino. That's also, yun po.